Okay, I'm just going to teach you the particles wa and ni. These ones will help you put words together into a sentence, like really basic sentences. For example, we're going to look at how to say cut the onions. You know the word is kizamu for cut and tamanegi for onion. Now how do you put it in a sentence? Well, you have to know what an object marker is. Okay, so number one, particle wa indicates the object of the sentence. So an object of the sentence is the person or thing that receives the action. In this case, the onion is receiving an action. It's receiving the action of being cut. Okay, so that's why you say tamanegi wo kizamimasu. This wa indicates that the word before it is the object. In the English sentence, the object is at the end instead of at the start. And it is a word that you can put the word the before it. So it is a thing that you can put the word the before it, as in cut the onions. That's a good way to know that it is an object. Okay, so in Japanese you put the wa after the object. You can see there the onion is the object because it's receiving the action of the verb. Okay, now in particle 2, this is particle ni, we've done this one before. It indicates a direction to or in something. So this might be used in the same sentences as wa. So you can combine them together. So here the object is still the tamanegi, the onion. But the action is now not just put it in, it's put it in a bowl. Okay, so the thing that's going in is the bowl. That's this word here, boru. The particle ni means that the action is going into that. It's going towards it or in it. That's a really bad example, actually. Or it's a good example, but a bad explanation. I think when you get to actually doing the sentences, you'll figure it out a bit better. So in this case, the object is the tamanegi. It is the onion. And the action is boru ni ireru, put in the bowl. So if you're going to do something to that onion, because an object is something you do something to, and the thing you're doing to it is putting it in the bowl, if that makes sense. Okay, have a look at the worksheet, because in the worksheet it says write the correct words in the boxes. Okay, now I want you to decide, you've got two words here, cut and chicken. Well, is cut going to go at the front or is it going to go at the back? You decide, and do that with all of them. And then there's a few other things that it asks you to do. Now it's adding ni there. Okay, see how you go. See how you go with it. Then at the end, just talk about, just give a bit of feedback. It's probably a tough lesson for me not to be in, but give it a try.